My name is Francisca Alonso, and I am the CEO and co-founder of AV Architects and Builders. I know that the prospect of building your own custom home can be an exciting endeavor, but you want to know exactly how much you can get for your money. That's why in this three-part series, we will be discussing 3 different houses and what features come at different costs. Let's dive in. This is an example of a modern home in the Tysons Corner area. The house is about 4,000 to 5,000 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. And the cost is $1.4 to $1.8 million, not including site and land costs. On the lower level, you will find a guest suite with an ensuite bathroom and reach-in closet. You will have a gym and plenty of storage. One of the great things about this house is that everything you need is on the main floor. So you have the owner's suite with a walk-in shower, with the walk-in closet, everything right off the core of the house, which is the kitchen, great room, dining. It's all open, it's all one space, and it all leads into a covered outdoor space. So it's really like condo living, but on your own piece of land. So it's the best of both worlds. The other thing I'd like to mention about this particular house is that the study is a very generously sized. It's perfect for working at home. In addition, the laundry room and mudroom is efficient, but it has everything you need. The upper level is pretty simple. It has 2 bedroom suites with walk-in closets and their ensuite bathrooms. And then it has a small sitting area as a shared space. For this particular sample, the land cost is around $750,000 to $800,000 for a quarter of an acre. And then site cost, you can budget around $150,000. The site costs for this project are very minimal because it's only a quarter of an acre and it's in the Tysons Corner area, so the utilities are available. You do have landscaping and dirt removal, and then a small driveway. To get estimated cost, you need to take into account 3 factors: construction cost, site costs, and land costs. If you haven't already, check out our other 2 videos in this series. If you want to know more about the specifics of how we price our homes, head on over to our Learning Center, where we have additional videos and articles on this topic. And if you want an exact price on your custom home, schedule a discovery call with us so we can get that process started. Talk to you soon.